Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about sparklines. So what are sparklines? So these are trends that we can compare two columns, two rows, or two people, two account managers work together to visualize their works. Sometimes you know that when in numeric values it's hard to compare, but we need to visualize it. So first of all, I want to just select the cell and I come here under the insert. You can see I have sparklines here. We have line, column, line chart, column chart, and win and lose. So I just click and select this one. After that, I have to select the range. We select this range from 2010 to 2020 and okay. You can see it shows the cells by George. So here when I double click here it doesn't work, so I have to drag this down. You can see now here we can understand that you can see this Salma and George are almost the same, and in Sparklines these are group. So if I want to change one, so I just change one, all of these will change automatically. And here we have some options. We can like highlight negative points here. You can see low points. These are the low points, and there are many more. We can change the color from here, and you can see. And from here I can change the type of my trends. I can change it to column, to win and lose. You can see it's the loss, it's the loss. And I can change the color also from here. So whenever we want to edit this, and you know these are groups, if I want to bring changes to one of these, I have to ungroup that. So first I want to change it to this, and here I want to highlight to the high points. I want to change the color to this. Yeah, it works way better. And also I just want to change the Marias. I just come here and ungroup this, just Maria. I can change it to whatever I want. I have to ungroup it, and also from here we can edit, we can bring changes from here. And also one thing I want to mention, we can't delete this. We can just like other things, we can't just press delete here. So if I want to delete my sparkline, my trends, I have to come here and clear. It's pretty easy. I want to repeat it again. Just select the cell, come to insert and select one of these column, and after that I select the ranges, and okay, it works magically. After that I just drag it down. I bring changes here. I highlight high points. It works magically. So if I want to ungroup, I can ungroup from here. I want to ungroup this too, and I want to change it to line chart. If I want to group this again, I just select all and come here, group. You see, it works magically. So that's all about the Sparklines. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so